Hi, this is Faisal from JME Mining Equipment Manufacturer. Today I will talk about the Track Mobile Screening Plant. It's a vibrating scalping screen, meaning it's perfect for screening a wide range of materials like soil, composite, demolition waste, asphalt, rock, concrete, and up to 350 tons per hour. It also has a range of screen and mesh options. It consists of 3 different conveyors, which results into 3 different size materials. The included remote is used to control most of the major functions of the screener, and it's wirelessly connected to the machine. Lastly, the whole machine can be folded up for easy transportation. If you are interested in the mobile screening plant, get in touch by phone or email.